Hello friends, in today's video I am going to show you what are the Photoshop tools and why those Photoshop tools are used. So on our first I'm going to tell you about the move tool. You can also select this tool by pressing V on the keyboard, as you can see. So this tool is used for moving between the layers. As you can see, I have here created a copy of my background. And now I am going to fill it with the foreground color, which is the black color. And as you can see, if I will move this layer with the move tool, this white layer is now exposed. And if I will take it back onto the position and I will align it with the same position, now that white underneath is covered. So this tool is used for moving, is called Marquee Tool, and this tool is used for just making selections. And it has four variants, which is rectangular Marquee Tool, elliptical Marquee Tool, single row Marquee Tool, and column row Marquee Tool. As you can see, I have here selected rectangular Marquee Tool. This tool is used for making selections in a rectangular area. So as you can see, I have here made a selection and I have filled it with a background color, foreground color. So you can see the color I have selected here is just applied in the selected area. So basically this tool is used for making selections. Now next, as we go, the next tool is called elliptical Marquee Tool. This tool is used for making round selections, and if I fill it with the foreground color, as you can see, and I have undo it. The next here is a single row Marquee Tool. This tool is used for taking a selection in a single line that is very too short. As you can see, I have zoomed here and you can see a slight line in the black area. This tool is used for that purpose. And here is single column Marquee tool. This tool is used for as you can see, this tool is used for making selection in a vertical way. And I have filled it with the foreground color, and as you can see, if I will zoom here, you can see the white lines that this area is filled with the foreground color, that is white color. So here these are the four tools that are in Marquee Tool. I can increase its size by typing the pixels. Now this tool is used for making selections in a vertical way. As you can see, if I will zoom here, you can see the vertical column, and this column is a bit larger than the other. So if I am going to delete this layer. I have deleted the layer, and next is the tool which is known as Lasso Tool. So this tool is used for making selections in a custom way. So you can create selections whereas we want. So I will fill it with the foreground color. As you can see, the wait, I will first of all let me make a background of first I will make a copy of it by pressing Ctrl J on the keyboard, and I will fill it with the foreground color. I will fill it with the foreground color, that is the black color. So as here you can see that I have filled it with the foreground color, and I will create a selection over here with the Lasso tool. As you can see, I have created an irregular selection. I will fill it with the foreground color. As you can see, the work I have done here is just inside a circle and inside a shape that I have drawn. So the next tool over here is Polygon Lasso Tool. This tool is used for making selection in a polygon way. So as you can see, I am making a selection of irregular shape that's not a regular polygon. As you can see, I have created a selection, and I will get the selection by pressing Ctrl and Enter on the keyboard, and I have filled it with the foreground color, and I have undo it. And the next is Magnetic Lasso Tool. This tool is used for making selections in a specific color. This tool is basically used for making selections, but as we will move forward, I will show you which is the best tool for making selections and for changing backgrounds. So enough for today's video. Subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed, like the video if you like this video. So and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Thank you very much.